Today, the father of an accused school shooter appeared in court for what is likely the final time before his trial next year. Colin Gray is accused of providing the gun his son allegedly used to kill 2 students and 2 teachers at Apalachee High School last September. He is facing 29 charges in connection to the killings. 11 Alive's Molly Oak was inside the courtroom today, where the big topic was law enforcement interviews and whether they can be used as evidence.
Colin Gray walked in this morning in an orange and white striped Barrow County Jail jumpsuit.
Was he free to leave at any time?
He was.
On the stand, 2 witnesses. The first, a GBI agent that interviewed Gray the afternoon of the shooting outside his home.
He asked me initially when I walked up if there's anything I can tell him about what's going on, and I let him know that this is an evolving investigation and there's not much information I can give him at that time. I did let him know that his son was in law enforcement custody.
She says Gray showed her his phone before turning it over to her so they could get information off it.
So he showed me text messages that he had sent and received from his son, Colt Gray. He also showed me emails that were in reference to obtaining counseling services and communication about counseling for Colt Gray.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
The second witness interviewed Gray in May of 2023.
The tip was in reference to what? What were you being asked to investigate?
It was in reference to a school shooting.
We have the body camera footage of that interaction that started as an FBI tip alleging Colt Gray, who was 13 years old at the time, made a threat to shoot up an unspecified school over a gaming chat platform. The defense says it plans to argue whether the consent Gray gave to the interviews was actually consensual. The prosecution seemed to work to make clear that it was voluntary.
Did he appear lucid and able to understand the questions you asked of him?
Yes.
Was he able to answer those questions?
Yes.
To the best of your knowledge, were the defendant's statements given freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
At any point, did he ask to end the interview?
Not to my recollection.
Okay. And at the end of the interview, was he free to leave?
Yes.
The judge didn't make any decisions today, but closed by saying they're on track for a February 9th trial. Reporting in Barrow County, Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.